Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying hardware and making the first connections. You need to identify ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or USB-C, and grab any adapter required. Once done, plug each monitor into power and into separate video outputs on your computer and label them physically or mentally as Monitor 1 and Monitor 2. Make sure both monitors power on and that the PC recognizes a signal. If one stays black, switch cables to isolate a faulty lead, otherwise proceed to display settings. You'll now adjust software so the screens work independently. On Windows, open Display Settings. On Mac, go to System Preferences, right arrow Displays. Select Extend to use each monitor as separate workspace, not mirror. Drag the virtual screens to match their physical positions so the cursor moves naturally between them. Next, pick which is primary for the taskbar or dock, then set resolution and scaling for clarity. Use native resolution whenever possible. Finally, choose orientation if a monitor is rotated. Test moving windows across to confirm the setup. Finish by optimizing each monitor for comfort and performance. You should set color profiles, refresh rates, and enable night light or blue light reduction per display to reduce eye strain. Update GPU drivers and open your graphics control panel for bezel adjustment, multi-monitor profiles, or custom scaling. If one monitor misbehaves, swap cables to rule out a bad lead, test that screen alone on the same port, restart the computer, and try a different adapter. If none of that works, the monitor or GPU port may need service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.